Looks like it's somebody's birthday. Don't get any big ideas about me singing to you. Well, well. Along with this cake, maybe I can have someone give you a big old birthday spanking. Careful eating this much cake. You need to stay in shape if you're gonna protect yourself in here. Birthday again? If Longback's birthdays happen this often, you gotta be close to 100 years old. If I weren't such a trusting feller, I might be suspicious of all these cakes. You know, you could offer a piece to someone else once in a while. Selfish little... Well, I hope you like pound cake, because this one weighs about 30 pounds.